Is that the blue one?
No, it's this one.
Oh, there's our plane.
This one. Yeah.
I got my bag.
What?
Oh, I'm talking to myself.
What?
This is Captain. I don't know your last name.
Podhipak. Blue one?
Captain Podhipak.
ไม่ใช่ครับพี่
It's not the blue one, right?
It's not the blue.
Okay. So here's a pilot. He's gonna fly,
I guess. So we're gonna sum the fuel right now. This is the fuel cup. We put it in here. The cup is right here. You put it in, just get a little bit of sample of fuel. See if it's like any contamination in it.
No contamination.
Nope, we're good.
Okay.
Yeah, can you hold this? Checking the oil.
We're gonna fly.
Check the props. Make sure there's no nicks like in quad.
John, do you know how to fly helicopters? What's this?
That's a pitot tube.
A what?
A pitot tube.
PETA?
Pitot.
P-O?
Pitot tube.
What is that?
It measures your speed.
So we are now basically checking everything to make sure that we can fly safely.
That's right.
Alright, so we need some more fuel in that tank and we need more oil also.
Okay.
I feel like a tourist.
Huh?
I feel like a tourist.
Yeah, yeah.
ลองเช็คให้หมดนะ โอเคครับ Excited?
What?
What? Oh, what's going on?
No, it's not. Hello.
Oh no.
That is very normal, by the way.
You're still on the ground, don't worry.
Yeah.
If this happened at the air, I will be like...
Yeah. Then your jaw would be like, this is very normal, don't worry.
Oh, no. Go. Oh, I hear it. Oh, I hear it.
It's
John, mine's broken.
you guys hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Put your mic close to your mouth.
Hello?
Talk.
Hello?
Take it on the other side. And your mic isพี่ลองพูดได้ไหม
ได้ครับ
ได้ยินนะ
ได้ยินชัดเจนเลย
This is good. Let's just let me know when you.
Oh yeah.
You can hear me now?
Yeah.
God damn it. ที่จับไม่อยู่นี่ไงไปเฮลิคอปเตอร์
Dude, this guy's hovering like a boss.
Yeah, he's pretty good.
the alternative.
That's, I think it's a Noob too, it's not the one. No, that should not happen. So I don't think we're gonna go to there, so we're gonna head back then.
Oh, okay.
I think something is wrong with the plane. Oh, ขอโทษพี่ผมทำมันไม่นานแล้วอย่างเงี้ย
ไม่โอเคใช่ไหม
ไม่โอเค